Hi everybody! Today it's all about Pilates to work our core, to flatten our belly. Let's begin with one of the best exercises, the 100. I'm going to teach you an easy way and then a more challenging way. So knees at 90-degree angles, press the belly button down into the floor, raise your head and shoulders up, arms right here, and little baby presses. Press down, arms are strong. You're working the powerhouse, those abs. But you have to make sure the navel is down, and now breathe. Just like that, you have to over-exaggerate the breath. It flattens the belly when you exhale. Just like that. Now, for those of you that want to do about 50 here and then another 50 here, this is a little harder. This is the challenging move of 100. Hold it up there, press, you got it. That's it, breathe. You should also turn out your toes and try it like that. It's a little different, gets right in the pelvic area and release. My other favorite is chest up and switch and switch. That's it. Notice my chin is up. That's it. Using your abdominals, the core muscles to get you up. And for those of you that want to go to the next level, go ahead and straighten out your legs. Straight leg, straight leg. Exhale. That's it. Beautiful. Really lengthen through the legs. You got it. Really use the abdominals, the center of your body, the core, the powerhouse. You can do it. Last one, and release. Now bring your legs into your chest and reach it out. And legs into your chest and reach it out. Great, try a couple of these. They're a little more advanced, but you could do it. You could always stay here and then go to here. Pull, using your lower tummy. Out, double crunch. Out, inhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, 2 more. Working the belly, working to flatten that tummy. Last one, and release. And slowly relax. Now we roll like a ball. Roll up. This massages your spine. Also works your lower tummy. That's it. We got 2 more. Last one, roll like a ball. And come all the way up this time. Beautiful. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? Great. Hold it up there, hold it up there. And release. So those are some easy Pilates moves that you can do.